When it comes to reliable storage for your GoPro or DJI drone, the SanDisk 32GB Extreme MicroSD card stands out. Built to endure tough conditions, this card is temperature-proof, shock-proof, X-ray proof, and waterproof, so you don't have to worry about losing your footage no matter where you go. With Class 10, V30, A1, and UHS Speed Class 3, U3 ratings, this card delivers fast read and write speeds. That means smooth 4K video recording and quick file transfers, essential for capturing every moment with clarity and precision on your GoPro Hero 9, Hero 8, GoPro Max 360, or DJI drone. The bundle includes not just the 32GB Extreme MicroSD card, but also an adapter and a microSD reader, making it easy to transfer your files to any device. This all-in-one package ensures you're ready to shoot and share without hassle. Users across the United States praise this card for its durability and performance. One DJI drone pilot shared how they rely exclusively on SanDisk after multiple bad experiences with other brands. They appreciate having many smaller 32GB cards to swap out after every flight, avoiding the risk of losing large amounts of data if a card goes missing with the drone. What changes when you choose the SanDisk card? You get peace of mind knowing your media storage can handle extreme weather and rough handling. Plus, the fast speeds keep your workflow smooth, whether you're filming high-action drone footage or capturing every angle on your GoPro. If you're serious about drone or action camera work, this card is worth a look. It's designed to keep up with your adventures and protect your memories. Having multiple smaller cards means you're never stuck without storage or risking everything on one card. Try the SanDisk 32GB Extreme MicroSD card when you're ready to upgrade your media storage. It's a dependable, high-performance solution that fits perfectly with your GoPro or DJI drone setup. Capture more, worry less, and keep your footage safe wherever you fly.